So, Geoff, Valentine's Day is coming up soon.
It is.
I hope you've got your plans in place for.
Absolutely.
So, my question in regards to lighting controls is what do you love or what are you passionate about when it comes to lighting controls?
That's a great question. Kind of a tough one to answer. But right now, I would say what I love about lighting controls is when a process is put in place where everything works the way it is supposed to. A good design married with proper installation, married with startup that happens on time, training that happens, and an end user that is happy with the lighting control system that they have to live with for the next 10 to 20 years. That for me, that's all process driven, that we have things in place that will automatically help us along the way to achieve those goals. What about yourself? What are you passionate about?
I think what I am passionate about, and I love the day and the age that we're living in where we have digital controls. Not that we don't still see analog controls now and then, but the way forward where we can have lighting zones that can be changed with a phone, with a program, etc., that customers have more flexibility than they've ever had when it comes to lighting controls to be able to get the lighting systems that they want. I feel very strongly about that. Certainly when I'm talking to newer designers, newer students, I certainly tell them, just like that's something that wasn't a thing in the past and that they can now do.
Right. The whole idea behind instead of rewire, I reprogram, right?
Exactly.
And get some flexibility to what my system can do, make it easier to program, easier to interact with, whether it's a slider on the wall that's, with clearly written documentation on it, what this switch or what this dimmer controls, that kind of thing.
Absolutely. And the number of different control options that there are, that it can be a button, just one button that looks simple but can do a whole lot of things, or as you said, a slider or a touchscreen,
right,
or nowadays a phone. So we are in a day and an age where I feel a whole lot of love.
Absolutely. Well, thanks, and have a happy Valentine's Day.